something. He must not have saw me. He's by himself. No, there he is. See, like to me, that's would be what I would call property value. You know, like if you get to listen and live in this little world of animals and all around here. There goes a squirrel. And I mean, up in the blooms up there, there's these, like, I mean, they're like the size of parakeets, and they come in and just really, they must move in flocks or something. I think you can hear them maybe back there, but I don't know. Then yesterday, really neat, there's a pair of cardinal birds that come out of this bush here, and they must have some sort of nest on the backside. And you hear those guys up there, those are kites. But and then there's a catbird, just a lone single catbird. But there's two robin, or what are they? The red cardinals, a female, a dull color one, and then a male. They both live there. But yesterday I saw a brown thrasher for the first time. Pretty